welcome to our channel Naari. Please subscribe to the subscribe button and press the bell icon. So in today's video I'm gonna share some tips with you. That's how to remove your makeup in 3 different ways. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First is this makeup remover wipes. So that's Color Bar Onto Good makeup remover wipes. Let's get started. It's very easy, guys. See, it's very easy. Now the second step. It's a Bioderma makeup remover. So just take a cotton pad, pour this, and see, it's that easy. And the third one is very easy, cheap. It's Johnson's baby oil. So just take a cotton pad, pour some oil. This one is little sticky, oily, but it's the cheap one. There you go. If you can't remove your mascara or your kajal, then just take a Q-tip, dip into this, and just see. So easy. Guys, how easy it is to remove your makeup without any hassle. Do share, comment, and like our video. And in case if you find any tips helpful, then let us know. Bye. Thank you.